Hello. In this video, we will see how you can edit the post which is already scheduled in your content calendar. So first, we will go to content calendar, this option. Here, I will look for the post which I have scheduled in the future. So we cannot change the post which we have already published. We can only change the post which is scheduled in the future. So here we can see that on 15th of January, this post has been scheduled. Now I'll just click on this post. Here I'll get only two options to change the date and time or discard this post. But let's say if I want to change the design or maybe I want to change the image of the post, basically I want to edit the post, then how we can do is we can click on any one of these platform, then we can click on edit post, this option. Now we will just do our editing. Maybe let's say if I want to move it upwards or maybe I want to move just for the video purpose I'm showing you. So maybe let's say if I want to move it here, I will do it and I will click on save. Now here I'll get two option. If I only want to do editing for this particular platform, so I have selected Facebook. If I only want the editing to be applied on Facebook or while scheduling, I can do that. Or if I want to apply it for all the platform which I have scheduled, I can do that also. Now I'll click on continue. Yeah, and I think it is done. I'll close it and here I'll click on save. So here in the preview also I can see that my post has been changed here. So this I have removed it. It's not looking that great, but yeah. So I'll just click on save. Yeah, I'll go back and I'll click. I think just it will be scheduled. If I even want to change the date and time, I will click on it and maybe I want to schedule it for 16th of January instead of 15th. At same time, I'll click on schedule post. Now you can see this the same post has been scheduled for 16th here. So again, I can see how my post is looking on 16th. I think it is same only. So for all the platform, the changes has been saved. Yeah. Thank you.